Ever wondered how testers quickly identify the header of a website? If you're learning UI testing, this is one of the first things you must master. What is a header? A header is the top section of a website and usually stays consistent across all pages and helps users navigate easily. Key elements of a header. Here's how you can identify a header instantly. 1. Logo. Most headers contain a company logo, usually placed on the left or center. 2. Navigation menu. Look for menus like Home, About, Services, Contact. These are strong indicators. 3. Search bar. Many websites include a search option inside the header. Four. Call to action buttons. Buttons like Login, Sign Up, or Get Started are often part of the header. Visual identification tips. To quickly spot a header, it is always at the top of the page. It is often fixed or sticky while scrolling. It has a different background color or shadow. It appears consistent across multiple pages. Common bugs in a header. Here are some common issues testers find. Logo not clickable. Menu links not working. Header overlapping content. Misalignment on mobile devices. Sticky header not functioning properly. Now you know how to identify a header like a pro. Follow for more real-world testing tips and level up your testing skills.